Mamelodi Sundowns coach Manqoba Mngqithi has offered an encouraging update on the fitness of key players Thembinkosi Lorch, Sipho Mbule and Muthubi Mvala as the reigning South African champions gear up for their crucial CAF Champions League clash against Eswatini's Mbabane Swallows. Lorch, a fan favorite known for his explosive play, has been sidelined since the start of the season with an injury. However, he's now back in training and there's a growing buzz around his potential return. Manqoba Mngqithi said Lorch is very close to making the matchday squad. He featured in a friendly against Sekhukhune and has been impressive in training. Unfortunately, he had a minor hamstring issue today and had to pull out early, but his professionalism and commitment since his injury have been exceptional. The news that Lorch might soon be back in action has undoubtedly lifted spirits, but he's not